Welcome to the 1 Hour Guide channel, a transformative learning space for leaders and entrepreneurs, where every hour spent with us takes you closer to your goals. Together, let's build your mastery and your business. Today, I'm diving into the Zettelkasten Method for business application. Originally devised by German sociologist Niklas Luhmann, this method isn't just about taking notes, it's about how you organize your learnings. Step 1. Decide how you want to keep your notes. You can use physical note cards or a digital tool like Obsidian, Notion or Apple Notes. Step 2. Capture notes in its simplest form. Each micronote should contain just one single idea or piece of information. These are called atomic notes. Give your note a title. Step 3. Assign your note a unique number. This helps us keep track of your notes and link them together. Step 4. Examine each note and link it to other related notes by using their unique number. If you are using a digital tool like Obsidian, you can create electronic links to other related notes. Step 5. Tag your notes by topic. For example, tags may include product, market, customer, or new ideas. Step 6. As your database develops, create a summary note for each tag. For example, look at all the notes with the tag product and capture the titles of each atomic note on your product summary note. Finally, create an index card with all your summary notes for each tag. Now, when you are looking for information, simply go to your index, identify the relevant tag, and it will give you the links to all the relevant atomic notes. Step 7. Periodically review your notes to reinforce learning and discover new connections. As you review, refine your notes by adding new insights, correcting mistakes, and creating new links to other related atomic cards. And that's the system in a nutshell. By repeating the above steps, you can create a personalized knowledge system of interconnected notes. Thank you for joining me on this journey at the 1 Hour Guide channel. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification button. For more detailed content, go to the 1 Hour Guide blog, where you will find articles, training courses, and mind maps. Also, have a look at Amazon for books by Anil Nethu. Anil donates all proceeds from the sale of his books to charity, so you are supporting a good cause. So please follow and support our channel as we raise funds for cancer research. Please also consider making donations to this cause. Till next time, keep pushing, keep innovating, and keep learning 1 hour at a time.